Okay, so I'm Stuart Goddard, Marketing Officer for Western Bay Adoption Service. It's National Adoption Week. We're kicking off the week with our cross-authority walks. We started off in Bridgend this morning. Now we're in Aberavon Seafront on this lovely chilly day. We're going to finish off in Swansea Bay, and the aim is to raise awareness of adoption, celebrate our collaborative approach to securing the best possible futures for local children, and just create a bit of hype over National Adoption Week.
Hi, my name is Councillor Sian Harris and I'm the Councillor for the Dilys Valley. I'm also Cabinet Member for Children and Family Services. As part of National Adoption Week, we're encouraging people to find out more about adoption. Finding the right adoptive family for children improves their life chances, and we want every child to be in a loving, stable home.
Hi everyone, my name is Nune and I'm a Principal Officer in Children's Services in Port Talbot. Following on from what Councillor Harris has spoken to you about this morning, I'd really like to encourage you to reach out to us if you're starting to think about adoption as being an option for you. We'd particularly like to speak to you if you're interested in adopting children who are part of a sibling group or who may have complex needs or slightly older children as well. It's important for all young people to have an adoptive family to feel safe and secure as they grow up.
Okay, so we're encouraging anybody who wants to find out more about the service to get in touch with us on our website, which is westernbayadoption.org. We're particularly keen to talk to people who are open to the idea of adopting siblings, older children and children with more complex needs. So get in touch with the team and find out more about adoption.